There we go. We can do the random for the Triple Threads baseball single box break. Randomize the names first. 5 times. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. Boom. Copy that. I'm going to read off all the names and the teams. We'll do the teams next. Paste these in here. All right, now we're random the teams. Copy. Once again, 5 times. Good luck. All the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. Boom, there it is. Copy that. Paste right here. Wrapping it dusty.
I don't know.
That's weird, I know.
Is it?
There
you go.
Yeah, that's it. I'm going to print this out. We have a copy and we'll read off the names and we'll do the box break. There we go. Okay. I'll read off the names now. So.
You want to put this back over, brother? Or just keep...
The first one was dusty. I don't know why.
Oh, you got first?
Yeah, I don't know why his name didn't print out. Huh. That's not a label.
Oh,
What do you do? That first one's dusty. I don't know why his name didn't come out.
Number 1's Dusty.
I don't know why his name didn't come out.
You need this?
Now you can close that.
Exit?
Yep. No, yeah, save it. Yeah, better save this.
Dom, Atlanta.
I got Atlanta. What else do I have? Okay.
Read them all off.
Yeah.
Yeah, read them quick. It's dusty's up top. I don't know what the hell happened.
Did he get up top on
I
the...
moved it over. Yeah.
He actually stayed first?
I think so.
So I gotta stop this?
No, wait, it's not. Just do
Okay.
it one box.
Dusty Dodgers. Brett Tampa Bay. Bob J Boston. Wayne C St. Louis. Greg H Mets. Brett Philadelphia. Dom Atlanta. Greg Pro Minnesota. Jeff P Oakland. Bob J Texas. Bob J Pittsburgh. John Stay Washington. John Stay Toronto. Jeff P Cleveland. Josh Cubs. Greg Pro Angels. Josh San Diego. Wayne C Miami. Jeff P Houston. Russ D Cincinnati. John Stay Kansas City. Russ D White Sox. Wayne C Arizona. Dom Colorado. Greg H Yankees. Russ D Milwaukee. John Stay Giants. Dusty Seattle. Russ D Baltimore. Wayne C Detroit.
Oh, Dusty Seattle. Who's number 1? I don't understand what
Dusty Dodgers.
No, he had 1. He had the Seattle. I don't understand. It's messed up, that D. We're going to give them both.
Give them both.
These are the Dodgers.
What about the person who got that?
We'll deal.
Oh, wait, no, look at me. How many Russ there? 1, 2. Just do a break. Either 1. I'll count 2. 3.
Okay, we're just going to do the break. Can I get the chair? So I'm a little bit lower.
1, 2, 3, That's what Dusty has. Dusty has Seattle. All right. Rust came out. The beat there. The rust is
I know. I know. You, I
I don't know how it disappeared.
First mini box, Gio Gonzalez, base, Puig base, Derek Jeter base, 2/99 Jordan Zimmerman,
it's Washington.
auto /99,
Washington.
Carlos Gonzalez /36, Rockies, cargo jersey, Jimmy Fox, orange /125. Billy Butler /650.
That's too many bucks. But it's only $6 a spot.
Jimmy Fox base, Red Sox. McCutcheon base. Nolan Ryan base. 15/18 Atlanta Braves. Jason Hayward, Phenom, auto. Jersey. Matt Kemp 10/27 Dodgers. Matt Kemp /250 Dodgers. And a purple James Shields. It's what?
What's the purple on it?
650.
Oh, I thought that was low.
That is
Triple thread.
Triple Threads
Museum.
box break. Museum collection coming up.
15 minutes or so.
15 minutes.